Welcome back, fellas, to this new video of TechSpress. Today, let's check out the very great step of creating your WordPress website into the Infinityfree. So the process actually is not that hard. I'm going to be showing you how to do this process in a very easy way. So the first thing I want to be doing here is to go into infinityfree.com. Inside here, whether you wanted to sign up or to register or log it in, the process actually is not that hard. You can sign up even with your Google account or with the GitHub. Really easily processed. So once you have done this process, the next thing to do is to access this Softaculous application installer. So let me explain this a little bit more. When you create your actual account inside Infinityfree, what you need to do, of course, is to access to the control panel and scrolling into the Softaculous applications installer section. Basically, once you are in here, when you get started with the hosting or the control panel, what you need to do, of course, is to scroll until you find this Softaculous applications, or you can choose the website builder. Basically, the Softaculous application installer, this tool manages the installation of many applications, including the WordPress. So what you can do is to go into your home dashboard or try to look at them out in the. I needed, of course, to install the Softaculous application installer. You can start with the application of the WordPress. So here is my WordPress element. Well, now here on the main page, you can find it into the blocks category. For example, you can focus into the install section and says quickly install WordPress with the Softaculous cloud. So I'm going to click it into it. And here, of course, going to be asking me to enter the cloud.softaculous.com. We can log it in with your Google account, or you can sign up exactly the same with your Google account. What I can totally suggest to you is that both account, your Softaculous and the one that we have chosen, in this case, the Infinityfree, should be exactly with the same email, so you don't have any problem in the future. So once you are now inside that element, it's going to appear now here the installations of the element, and you can now start by quickly install the application right there. Now you will need, of course, to fill out a few sections on the installation page. For example, the site settings, like the description, the site name, the administrator username, the passcode, the email, and the languages. Now it says here that we need, of course, to have an active plan in order to continue, or we can even start with an actual trial if you want to. But you can, of course, try this out just for a few days. Hit focus, of course, with the trial version and try to reload the page to see if this one now appears directly into your WordPress manager. And you can check out now the installation element directly back in there. I'm going to close this. And what you can do, if you wanted to, you can even copy and paste the domain of a WordPress website if you wanted to copy it directly into the URL with the authentication type. So make sure this registered domain are correctly updated into the name servers, just to make sure this actually worked. Now focus directly into the left section that says install the WordPress, and it might be asking you, of course, to add the website. Select the authentication type, whether you have hosting account or you have the SSL free. So Infinityfree cost a few complex. If you haven't set it up in SSL yet, you need, of course, to clear the install and deal with the SSL setup after the WordPress is working. In this case, we don't have absolutely anything WordPress manager directly in here. What you can do is to add a website directly in here, and of course enter the URL of the website you wanted to manage. And here's the authentication type. In this case, of course, we're going to be focusing now into adding a WordPress site later, because once installation is completed, the Softaculous will display a success message to the two links, which is the website URL and the administrator URL. You can focus directly into WordPress, for example, the one that you wanted to import them. For example, if I focus into WordPress.com, fast forward site section, what I can do now is to just copy and paste the website that I would like to add directly into my Softaculous cloud element. And basically, this is how we can actually get started with the Infinityfree importing directly. In this case, we didn't have to pay absolutely anything, but you must have an actual plan active to copy and paste your WordPress into Infinityfree. Now the process, as I just told you, is not that hard. Generate your own as you are getting started into the Infinityfree. Copy this information and paste it directly inside the Softaculous. And of course, when you want to assign having an actual access to your domains, you must have this information to import them directly into adding the hosting account directly in here. So with this being said, we have now reached the very end of the video. You now know how to import all your information from the Infinityfree directly into the Softaculous, so you can have access for to WordPress directly inside the Infinityfree. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Hopefully with all of this being said, we can all see you guys next time. See you soon.